houses and all these things. So it has finalized that issue.
Which illegal houses?
That Kumonida, then everything.
No. See, what is the point? As far as the Munkarial is concerned, no, all those things will be regularized.
Yeah.
As far in Comunidad land,
Yeah.
it is we have put it to the Comunidad. The ball is in the Comunidad's court, because it is for them to basically to take their decision whether they want to regularize it or doesn't want to regularize it.
Okay.
Because ultimately it's their problem.
Okay. So the people are doing all these things.
No, they are doing. Some people, some Comunidad basically are trying to what to say. Some Comunidad basically doesn't want to regularize them.
Yeah. Okay.
So now basically government is moving some ideas of what can be done.
And one more thing, last 2 days the deputy collector and collector did that so many illegal construction are there in
The demolitions.
No, not demolition. They are making notation.
So this is what happened as far as regularization is still going on. But what has happened now that window period is over. So I don't know whether government is intending to open the window period back. But I think the onus lies basically on the people who have committed this illegal or unauthorized construction. For them, basically, that is the reason the window period was open for them to avail of this facility. Some people There's not, this is Munkarial. We have got a question on Munkarial. But I mean, as far as Mamlatas is concerned, they are expediting all the decisions. And now and then, basically, we are monitoring as far as Munkarial cases are concerned. But what is the one? There is no sunset clause as far as Munkarial cases. So they keep on coming. So it's not to say suppose it was 500 yesterday tomorrow it is the same. It is because it starts gathering.
तुम्ही लास्ट टाइम म्हणाले की सरकाराच्या जाग्यांचेर एन्क्रोचमेंट कोणी केला पळय थंयसर तुमी हें करता
चालू आहा न्हू. हांव कितें म्हणटा हांव म्हणटा आमी जर कम्युनिदाद लँड येयन नाल्यार दुसऱ्यांचे लँडीन जर आमी हें करूंक सोदता रेगुलरायज वाय नॉट लेट अस रेगुलरायज द पीपल हू हॅव एनक्रोच इन गव्हर्मेंट लँड अर्लियर who have been basically 30 years, 40 years, people are there. Suppose in Batland, there is in Alpin, there is. So these, not in, this is, I am talking about as far as our constituency is concerned. But there are in other constituencies as well. I think government needs to look into it. And we are looking into